Hi, Timothy Unkert here, and in this video I'd like to demonstrate character printf formatting in a fun way in C. Um, I've included my standard header file and I have my main function created. And I'm going to start with a printf statement, and we're going to print in a character array, but it's really only going to be one character. And for the first one, I'm going to print in A, and I want to do a bunch of these. So I'm going to just do about 12 more, and then we're going to mess with them. So I came up with the name of this file, which was Christmas treeing, which, if you don't know, is when you go into an exam, you don't really know what you're doing. And you just go A, B, C, D, C, B, A, and you just kind of go back and forth across. I don't recommend that. That's probably a bad strategy, but we're going to print that out on the screen to make it look like Christmas treeing. So I'm going to insert a 2 in front of the S, and that's going to space this out. And we'll change this to B. Go down, change this to C. I'll print a 3 in front of that. And then in front of this, we'll have a 4, and we'll go to D. Now we're back to C. So we'll have a 3 in front here. And then in front of this one, we should have a 2. This, again, is going to be B. We can leave A the same. Change this one to B. Put 2 in front. Put 3 in front of this one. And change it to C. Change this one to change it to D rather. And put 4 in front. Go down here. Put 3 in front. And change this one to C. Change this one to B. And put 2 in front. And we'll leave the, whoops, thought I was in normal mode there. I should have a 2 in front of that. Okay, so now we'll leave the last one the same, and then at the end of our main function, we'll just return 0. I'll save that, and let's open up a terminal. I'm going to open up a separate tab for this one, and we're going to compile. So I called this christmastreeing.c, and we'll compile it to Christmas treeing without the C, or .c, and let's run it, and look at that. That's an example of Christmas treeing the pattern that you would see in someone who is Christmas treeing an exam. Not the best strategy. Anyways, I thought it was a fun way to demonstrate a little bit of character array formatting or character formatting using printf. If you found this video interesting, please make sure to like and subscribe if you haven't done so already. I also want to thank you for watching the video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Have a great day. Bye.